In October 2026, the world witnessed an announcement that shook every corner of the tech and energy industries. Cameras flashed, investors froze, and global markets trembled as Elon Musk walked onto the stage at Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory. His words were brief, but their impact was colossal. Today marks the end of lithium. For decades, lithium had been the lifeblood of the electric revolution. It powered our smartphones, laptops, and every Tesla that rolled out of the factory. But the truth was darker than the marketing. Lithium mining had become a global crisis, drying up lakes in South America, fueling political conflicts in Africa, and pushing production costs to their limits. By 2025, the price of lithium had climbed so high that even Tesla's affordable EV dream was slipping away. Elon knew it couldn't last. Behind the scenes, he had already begun working on something that would make lithium look like Stone Age tech. That secret was called Project P3, a research operation so classified that not even Tesla's senior management knew what was being developed. Buried in a restricted wing of the Austin Gigafactory, only a handful of engineers and scientists had access. They weren't trying to improve lithium, were trying to eliminate it entirely. Their goal was a new form of energy storage that could charge instantly, last for decades, and cost a fraction of today's batteries. What they eventually discovered defied all expectations. In late 2025, deep inside that lab, a team of engineers stumbled upon an unexpected breakthrough, an aluminum-ion cell that could outperform lithium in every category. Aluminum was abundant, cheap, and environmentally clean. When they tested it, the results were almost unbelievable. Full charge in 58 seconds. Lifespan of more than 20 years, and triple the energy density of lithium. No rare earth metals, no cobalt, no pollution, just raw, efficient power. The engineers called it the P3 cell. Elon called it the battery of civilization. Tesla built a new plant for it in total secrecy, disguised as a recycling facility. The employees thought they were working on scrap recovery. In reality, they were building the foundation of a new world. Early in 2026, the first Tesla vehicles equipped with P3 cells were tested inside the facility. Cameras weren't allowed, but insiders described something almost impossible, a model to prototype that charged from 0 to full in under 1 minute. Musk watched it himself and simply whispered, "That's insane." When Tesla finally went public with the P3 technology in October 2026, the world economy instantly shifted. Lithium mining companies saw their stocks collapse overnight. Entire industries that had built empires on lithium scarcity began to crumble. Aluminum demand, on the other hand, exploded beyond imagination. China, the world's largest aluminum producer, went into full emergency mode to catch up. Within 72 hours, Tesla's valuation crossed $4 trillion, making it the most valuable company in history. But the real story wasn't the money, it was what came next. Tesla revealed that the P3 cell wasn't just for cars. It could power homes, factories, airplanes, and even cities. Elon unveiled a prototype battery wall that could run an entire American household for 30 years with zero maintenance. He called it energy freedom, with a single announcement. Tesla had not only ended the lithium age, but it also made fossil fuels look obsolete. Governments began scrambling to adapt. Saudi Arabia announced new energy investments in aluminum tech. Japan and Germany immediately signed deals with Tesla for access to P3 technology. The U.S. Department of Energy called it the single most disruptive energy breakthrough since electricity itself. Every country realized whoever controlled this new battery would control the next century. As the dust settled, Elon appeared again, smiling at the chaos he'd created. Reporters shouted questions about market crashes, energy monopolies, and the future of oil. His answer was calm, but chillingly confident. The future doesn't wait for anyone. Lithium was just a chapter. This is the new beginning. The end of lithium was just a technological shift. It was the end of an era. Energy, transportation, and global power structures were rewritten overnight. What started as a secret project hidden behind Tesla's walls became a revolution that no one could stop. And as the first generation of aluminum-ion-powered cars rolled out, one truth became clear. The future Elon Musk had promised had finally arrived, faster than anyone expected.